Hi everyone, I'm Mason from City Chrysler Medicine Hat. Today we're going to show you how to use the Parksense button on our 2019 Trailhawk. So you come in here, what we're going to do is you're going to click your park button here on the far left of your screen. When you click it there, it'll kick onto your screen showing that it is active. And when you go into the parking lot that you have found on the side of the road to parallel park, it will be searching for it, so when you'll come to something that it does find that your vehicle will fit in, it'll tell you to come to a stop there. And now you'll put it into reverse. You'll let your hands go. You will still control the brake, but on the first try it'll get you into your spot. Like so. And just like that, you're parked. And for perpendicular parking, it'll be very similar. Press your Parksense button here, and then on your screen it'll show up into your parking. You'll have to go right dial over, so it'll sense that you are going to be perpendicular parking. You'll let off the brake, and it'll scan the side lot for you to find a spot that does fit your vehicle again. So now it'll tell me to stop. I'll push it into reverse, let off the brake, give a little bit of gas since we are on a hill. Then I'll put it into drive, it'll correct itself again. It'll tell me to stop there. I'll put it back into reverse. It'll correct itself. And it'll pull us in between the two cars like so. And that's how to put it into Parksense and using that button correctly. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you down here at City Chrysler.